Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to use app pinning or enable app pinning on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL device. App pinning is one of the most useful feature when you give your phone to your friend or your family member. Using app pinning, you can only access specific application or specific screen on your device. So if you give your phone for gaming or any other work, just open that app and just pin the application. To enable by default, disable this feature. To access or enable app pinning, follow this video. First of all, swipe up and hold to view the recent application on your device. Now tap on the app icon here. Now check if the app pinning or pin app feature is available or not. If you can't see the pin app, you need to enable this feature on your Pixel devices. So to enable pin app, open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down to the security and privacy. Tap on security and privacy. Again scroll down until you can see the more security and privacy at the end of the screen. Tap on it. Again scroll down at the end and you can find the app pinning feature. So tap on it. Here you can see the toggle of the option. So app pinning allows you to keep the current app in view until you unpin it. This feature can be used, for example, to let a trusted friend play a specific game or etc. Just toggle on this option. Now personal data may be accessible such as contact, email. Pin app may open other apps. Only use app pinning with people you trust. So tap on the OK button. Now enable the app pinning feature on my device. Now go to home screen. Open the recent application and just tap on the application you want to use app pinning. Like we open the YouTube. Tap on the app icon and now you can find the pin option on your device. So tap on the pin. Now you can see message app is pin. So you can only access YouTube on your device. Tap on got it. Now app pin message on your screen. Now you can only access the YouTube application on your Pixel devices or any other application you pin. Now when you try to go back, you can't go back until you unpin this app on your device. So you can access specific application or specific screen you access on your device. So most useful feature when you give your phone to your friend or family member for specific reason, or also secure your private data or important data if you don't want to share with your friends or family member. If you want to unpin this application or get back the home screen or any other apps, just again try to unpin and you can see to unpin this app, swipe up and hold. If you use a full screen tester, so we swipe up. Now you can see unlock your device. You need to unlock first to use your phone. Now try to go back and you can go back to the home screen or any other app on your device. So quite easy to app pin or unpin the app on your Google Pixel 10 devices. That's it. If you like it, share it. If you like this feature, please hype it. Thank you for watching this.